In order to address the rise in hunger as well as stimulate economic growth, the entire country should be placed under the most relaxed, Modified General Community Quarantine or MGCQ starting March 1, 2021, according to Acting Socio-Economic Planning Secretary Carl Kendrick Chua's recommendation to President Duterte Monday night. Chua has asked for the President's approval of such recommendation after citing the rise in hunger incidents as well as income loss reaching 1.04 trillion pesos, arising from the strict lockdown since March 2020.
Given progress on the health side and no spike in COVID-19 cases from the reopening of the economy last October and the year-end holiday, ang recommendation po namin, number one, we further open the economy to MGCQ for the entire Philippines, especially NCR, starting March 21. And the main reason is gusto na po natin ma-mitigate or mabawasan yung sickness, hunger, poverty, job, and income loss that are arising from non-COVID cases.
If needed, Chua said localized lockdown should instead be implemented to curb any COVID transmission at the barangay or municipal level. Chua also recommended the further expansion of public transportation from 50% to 75% so more people can go to their workplace. He said proper health protocols must be observed to ensure the safety of passengers. Another recommendation of the NEDA chief was to further expand the age group allowed to go out of their houses with proper health safeguards. He said the government could gradually allow persons aged 5 years old to 70 years old to leave their homes subject to the discussion with Metro Manila mayors. At present, only persons between 15 years old and 65 years old are allowed to leave their houses during the community quarantine.
Yung safeguard naman, pwede lang lumabas yung kabataan with their parents only, or initially they can go out to more open areas at hindi naman ibig sabihin na pupunta sila sa malls.
Chua likewise backed the proposal to resume the pilot study on face-to-face classes in the low-risk areas.
We are proposing, Mr. President, i-resume natin because nakita po natin na yung COVID cases at yung UK variant ay nakokontrol po natin.
For MB Now, this is Janeline Cabiling reporting.